Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about something which is not Jira. Now, if you follow my videos regularly, then I'm sure you know that in the last couple of weeks, I have started mentioning things that are not entirely 100% Atlassian Jira related. Now, on this channel, on my Ravi Sagar channel, majority of the content is of course on not majority but most of the content, 95% even more than that is focused on Jira, because that is what I do. So basically, Ravi Sagar channel is a reflection of what I do in reality. Because I'm a consultant, I'm an Atlassian consultant, and that is what I do for living. But apart from being an Atlassian consultant, because I work with companies where they of course use Jira, but at the same time, Jira is not the only tool that they use. Now, at Sparxsys, our specialization is on automation and integration, and we rely on script runner a lot, and we as an Atlassian consultant, our orientation is mostly towards solving problems using Atlassian tools. But to be honest, Jira is not the only thing that we do. We do work in other technologies, and Jira is one area where I'm saying Jira, but Atlassian tools, Jira, and some of those popular apps is one area where we don't really feel like we are working, because that is very tightly integrated with what we do, what we talk about all the time. So yes, we do things in Jira, but we also have to work in other technologies, tools, other processes that are not really Jira, software, agile, ITSM. So the other area where we are trying to, as a company, we are trying to step into and also provide proper services is DevOps. Now, DevOps is of course huge, and we can't really do each and everything, or we can't really say that yes, we do DevOps. We have to be very focused, and we are now going to start with AWS, and not just everything with AWS. We are going to focus and begin with providing services that are in the domain, in the area of cost optimization, monitoring, for example. And this is something that I won't be doing, I won't be leading, because I'm still, as of 2023, April 2023, majority of the time that I spend with my clients is basically on Atlassian tools, Jira. But because I run a company called Sparxsys, and we do other things, to be honest, and we are also trying to grow slowly and gradually, and we have been successful so far, and it is great, when you're running something on your own, a company, when you're working on your own, and when you have to worry about paying your bills and salaries. It is exciting, and at the same time it is a very good feeling, and it is a very satisfying feeling when you're able to do things on your own. And that is what I also recommend to everyone. If you follow my channel, I try not to, of course I do things in Jira, of course I am an Atlassian consultant, but I'm not really associated with Atlassian. I don't really dictate or talk about and promote certifications. It's more about solving problems using a tool. Jira in this case is of course, in my case, it is one tool. But you won't believe me if I say that sometimes I spend more time writing shell scripts or writing Excel VBA macros than doing things in Jira, because end of the day, my job, my responsibility is to, of course, make sure that my clients are able to use the tools effectively. They are able to get the most out of Atlassian tools, but at the same time, I don't really limit myself to one tool because I know other things and I know them really well. And I, as a consultant, when it comes to solving a problem, of course, I rely on other technologies. So AWS is something that, apart from everything else that we do as a consultant, we are also trying to get into AWS. And on my channel, I'm not really going to change. I don't really have any immediate plans to change anything when it comes to the kind of videos, the kind of content I make. But slowly and gradually, you can expect videos on DevOps, or maybe I'm doing something on AWS. I'm still not sure whether I will do it on my Ravi Sagar channel, because I do have one more channel where I talk about Linux, open source, and I might post those videos over there. But because on this channel I have a good audience who follow me, and they are trying to, of course, I know most of the people who follow me, my videos, they're either trying to do something with Jira, or they're trying to build their career. But most of you guys who follow my channel on this Ravi Sagar channel videos, you are trying to do something with Jira for your work, or maybe you want to get a job, and it's all about learning. So that is never really going to change. I might talk about AWS, I might talk about some other tool, but Jira will be my, Atlassian tools will be my focus. I'm not really going to change it. For me, the problem is that because I do so many things, and I have made so many videos, 1,000+ videos on a wide range of topics, sometimes it is a bit difficult to basically think about a topic for my next video, because I think my videos, although I try to change something in each and every video of mine, but I usually try to solve and share a simple problem that I have solved. So my videos are not really scripted or planned. I just share whatever I do every day, to be honest. So let us say if today someone asks me how to do this in Jira, how to do that, and if I think I can make a video out of it, I make a video. That is it. That has been my approach. But I might also talk about other tools and technologies. So do let me know if you think it is a good idea to stay focused 100% on Jira on this channel, or if you are happy for me to talk about other things. And AWS is one area where since last year, in fact, not really since yesterday, since last year, I have been trying to talk about it, and at the same time I'm also learning, because me as a consultant, Atlassian consultant, Jira consultant, I do things on Jira, I talk about Jira, I listen things from people who are trying to use the tool, organizations who are trying to use Jira, adopt Jira, roll out Jira. So Jira is what I do, and sometimes I do get bored, and when I learn something new, like totally new, which is, not really totally new, because if I'm doing something on AWS, end of the day, eventually you're just trying to do something on a server. But AWS is much more than that. You have to learn about different components and different services, and as a company, as a consultant, how you can help others. So this is what we are trying to do, and I want to share my journey. I want to share whatever I know, whatever I'm learning. So AWS is something that I might talk about. So this is something that I wanted to talk about and share in this video. I don't really try not to, I try not to make too many update videos. Usually update videos are I think useless, but sometimes you have to give an update to your audience, people who follow your videos. So this is the main thing that I wanted to talk about today in this video, AWS. All right. And in case you have any suggestions for me about this new approach that I might take, do let me know. All right. That is it for today. Bye bye.